Hi guys, in this lesson, I will explain the basic structure and working principle of the optocoupler. Optocoupler is a circuit element that can control high currents with low currents without an electrical connection between two circuits, and it provides electrical isolation to these two circuits. Thanks to optocouplers, different currents are isolated from each other and flow safely in the same circuit. As you can see in the figure, 4 and 6-pin optocouplers are widely used in different models. So, let's see how is the structure of optocoupler. For example, the 4N25 optocoupler consists of an infrared LED and a phototransistor. Infrared LED emitting infrared light and phototransistor, which is triggered by this infrared light, are combined into one and optocoupler is formed. An infrared LED is a diode that emits infrared light. The phototransistor is a circuit element triggered by this infrared light. These two are combined to create an optocoupler. Let's simulate a circuit that I drew in Proteus to understand the working principle. I have drawn two circuits here. As you can see, there is no electrical connection between the circuit on the left and the circuit on the right. The optocoupler provides isolation. Thanks to the optocoupler, we can wirelessly control the circuit on the right without any electrical connection with the circuit you see on the left. This isolation is provided by only infrared light. When we press the button in the circuit on the left, a low current flows through this circuit. With the current flowing through this circuit, the infrared LED in the optocoupler emits infrared light and the phototransistor in the optocoupler is triggered. Then a high current flows through the circuit on the right. With this current, the right LED lights up. Thus, a high current in the right circuit can be controlled with a low current in the left circuit without an electrical connection. Let's visualize this for better understanding. Likewise, when we press the button in the circuit on the left, a low current will flow through this circuit. The phototransistor will be triggered with an infrared light inside the optocoupler, and a high current will flow through the circuit on the right and the lamp will light up. Here, by checking the datasheet information of the optocoupler we have chosen, we need to determine the resistors and the power sources according to the current strength that it can withstand. We can give an example of where the optocoupler is used as the motor control circuit as you see here. In this circuit, we see that a motor can be controlled with the Arduino microcontroller circuit. The isolation between Arduino and the motor is provided by the optocoupler. It's impossible to directly control a motor that draws a high current with Arduino because Arduino gets damaged. But we can provide isolation with an optocoupler without an electrical connection between these two circuits. This is how the optocoupler works. In many power system circuits, optocouplers are used to provide isolation between the two circuits. I hope it was helpful and you liked it. Hope to see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.